friends, today we are going to make a coral reef picture using a straw, some paints, and our breath. For this project you'll need your blue piece of paper, the strip of brown paper, some scissors, your paper straw, either a painter's palette or maybe an ice cube tray, and if you don't have those you could just do some little cups like this to mix the paints, and then 2 to 4 different colors of tempera paint. So we're going to put the paint in cups aside for now. The first step is going to be to make this into the bottom of our ocean, the sand. So you can have your child do this part, or maybe you can do it together, but we're just going to draw a wavy line near the top, and it doesn't matter what it looks like, just some squiggles, a little wave there, and then we're going to cut that out. And your child can try cutting it out, and if they don't follow exactly along the line, that's okay. Let's see if we can make some curves, go up and down. So that is going to be the bottom of my ocean, the sand. And we're gonna glue, just get a glue stick, glue it here, and then stick it down there. So I've glued my sand down, and then the next part is going to be mixing some paints. So I'm going to choose 3 different colors and put a little drop in the bottom of each. I've got my colors now, and then we're just going to take a little bit of water and pour it in here. What we're trying to do is thin the paint a bit so that it's going to be a little more liquidy and it'll drip easier. You don't want to put too much water in. I would say just do a little bit at a time, and you can always add more if you want. In fact, yeah, I think I even added too much. So let's try it again with the next one. Just do a couple drops and then stir it up with a stick, or doing that one's a lot better. So you can see it just kind of, it pretty easily drips off. It's really thin now. So I'm going to do that to my other 2. So I've got my 3 colors, pink, orange, and yellow, but you can choose whatever colors you'd like for your coral. And then with my paper straw, I'm going to cut it into however many colors I have. So 2 or 3 or 4. I'll cut mine into 3. So I'm just going to stick 1 straw in each of my colors. And then to make our coral, we're just going to dab it in there and then drip some paint right at the beginning of where our sand starts. And then with our straw, we're going to blow. I'm going to show you with the long straw so I don't block the camera here. And it makes those cool patterns there. So I'm going to keep doing mine a little bit more. They're not spreading out very much. That probably means you need just a little bit more water. You can add a couple more drops, stir it up, and try again. So you can keep going with this until either your child gets all worn out from blowing so much, or until they feel like they're done. And this is one of those things where everybody's going to look a little bit different, and that is totally okay. It's all about the process rather than what the end product looks like. But just a few tips, if it's not kind of spreading out as much as you'd like it to, add some more water. And you might need to help demonstrate a little bit with your child how to blow it along. And you can kind of show them that if they blow at different angles, they can make it go in different directions. That is our coral reef art project. Now, if your child has not ever seen a coral reef before, pictures of a coral reef, what that looks like, you might want to look at a few pictures before, and then you could even look at it afterwards and kind of compare and see if any of the coral that they made in their picture looks like some of the ones in real life. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have fun, friends. I'll see you next time.